This is a video about a super accurate trend indicator known as the triple smooth signals by Algo Alpha. To add this indicator to your chart, you want to go to TradingView, open the 5-minute time frame of Euro USD, and then click on Indicators. After that, type in triple smooth signals and go with the one by Algo Alpha. By applying triple smoothing techniques to your chosen data source, this indicator filters out a lot of market noise, allowing you to focus on the most significant price movements. It's perfect for traders who want to enhance their technical analysis and gain an edge in the markets. Now, let's talk about the components of this indicator. You'll notice there's a trend ribbon on your chart that changes color between yellow and red to indicate bullish or bearish momentum. There's also a gradient effect built into these colors that shows the strength of the trend in real time. For a bullish trend, you might see the ribbon start off more muted, maybe a darker orange or red, and then gradually shift all the way to a super bright yellow when momentum really picks up. In a bearish trend, it's the opposite. It starts off muted and then shifts to a brighter, more intense red as the downtrend strengthens. You'll also see up and down arrows that pop up during transitions between bullish and bearish trends, clearly marking when the market is changing direction. What makes this indicator really cool is how it works behind the scenes. The triple smooth signals indicator enhances trend detection by applying a triple smoothing process to your selected data source using the moving average type of your choice. The moving average can be selected right in the settings, whether you prefer EMA, SMA, RMA, or WMA. And this triple smoothing effectively reduces short-term fluctuations and market noise, revealing the underlying trend with greater clarity. After this triple smoothing is done, the indicator calculates a signal line by smoothing the triple smoothed moving average further with another moving average. Then, it calculates the normalized distance between the triple smoothed moving average and this signal line over a specific period. This normalized value is what generates the dynamic color gradients and fills on your chart, giving you immediate visual insight into both the strength and the direction of the current trend. If you head into the Settings tab, you'll see a lot of customizable options. There's the main smoothing length, which controls how sensitive the triple smoothing calculations are, essentially, how quickly the indicator responds to changes in price. Then there's the signal length, which affects how sensitive the signal line is. You also get to choose the data source you want to use, like the close price, and select the moving average type for both the triple smoothing process and the signal line calculation. Down in the Style section, you can further tweak the look of your indicator by adjusting colors or toggling various visual elements on or off. For now, I'm just going to stick with the default settings and click OK. Next, we're going to talk about how we can use this indicator to trade. But before we do that, let's talk about Simple FX, which is the Forex broker that I use for trading. This is their web trading platform, and as you can see, adding an indicator to your chart is super simple. You just click on the function icon, and you're going to see a bunch of indicator options ready for selection. Whether you need the MACD, you just type that in. There you have it. If it's the EMA, there you have it. If it's the super trend, there you have it. Basically, you have indicators for trend identification, momentum analysis, volume analysis, etc. What makes this setup even better is that the charts are powered by TradingView. This means you get to enjoy the same familiar settings and robust charting features that you love, making your trading experience seamless and intuitive. Also, Simple FX offers over 450 tradable instruments, as you can see here. But what I love the most is that they offer a first deposit bonus of up to $5,000, along with a 10% cashback. To get access to these bonuses and all the other perks, sign up to Simple FX using the link in the video description. Now, back to the video. One of the simplest methods for trading with the default settings is to treat these up and down arrows as buy and sell signals because they clearly indicate short-term trend shifts in the market. To filter these signals and avoid taking every single one, you could add something like a 200 EMA to your chart. If the price is trading above the 200 EMA, that suggests a bullish environment, so you can focus on the yellow up arrows for potential buy entries. You'd also want to see some confluence, like a break and retest of a resistance turned support level, to confirm your entry. For example, here we had a buy signal that happened just after a break and the retest of this resistance level. Looking at the trend of the market, you can see it was bullish because the price was trading above the 200 EMA. If you were to take this long position with your stop loss under the most recent swing low, the take profit could be set at 1.5 times the risk, letting the trade run, and it was profitable. For a short position, it's going to be the opposite. You identify a sell signal that was printed just after a break and retest of a support level. You also want to make sure that the price is trading under the 200 EMA to confirm a bearish trend. Take a short position here with your stop loss above the most recent swing high. Set the take profit at 1.5 times the risk, letting the trade run, and it was profitable. Another way to use this indicator is to identify longer-term trends by adjusting the smoothing lengths to higher numbers. For example, you could change the main moving average length to 21 and increase the signal length accordingly. With these higher settings, the trend ribbon becomes less sensitive to minor price moves, allowing you to focus on the overall market direction. In this setup, whenever you see the price consistently trading above the trend ribbon, that indicates a more reliable bullish trend. If it's consistently trading below, that's a sign of a sustained bearish trend. While you can still use the up and down arrows for entries or exits, keep in mind they'll appear less frequently because the indicator is filtering out more noise at these higher settings. In summary, the Triple Smoothed Signals Indicator by Algo Alpha is a powerful tool for detecting trend direction and market momentum with greater accuracy. It uses a triple smoothing process to filter out short-term noise, calculates a refined signal line, and then plots dynamic color gradients, arrows, and fills that provide you with immediate insights into the market's strength and direction. You can use the default settings for quick, shorter-term trading, or customize the smoothing lengths and moving average types to suit your own strategy for a more long-term perspective. Just remember, this video is not financial advice, and you should always add your own price action analysis, fundamental research, or additional confluence factors before making any trading decisions. If you found value in this video, go ahead and leave a like, or even better, subscribe to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.